Assalamu alaikum student, how are you? Welcome to the lecture number 3. In this lecture we will do question answer and activity of unit number 3. So let's start our working. Write heading question answer on borderline and then question answer the following question. First question is, why did the farmer go to the city? The answer is, in a village of China lived a farmer who traveled to the city as he needed more supplies for his farm. Number 2, what was the crowd waiting for? The answer is, the crowd was waiting for Professor Wang Chang, who is an old man with a long white beard and eyes that sparkle with strange light. Professor Wang Chang gives invaluable advice to the pupil for only a yen. Question number 3. What advice did Professor Chan give the farmer? The answer is, the farmer asked for advice. The sag picked up a piece of paper and scribbled something on it and handed it to the farmer, who quickly read it aloud. Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today. Number 4. What would have happened if the farmer had not followed the wise man's advice? The answer is, if the farmer had not followed the wise man's advice, he would have to suffer huge loss. His crops could be destroyed. Okay, the question number 5 is, what did farmer see when he returned to his farm? The answer is, when the farmer returned to his farm, he saw that his workers had cut the corn and stuck it in neat piles. Number 6. What did the farmer ask to his workers? The answer is, the farmer asked the workers to store the corn inside the granary first. They would be paid only after they complete their work. After the word question answer, you have to write activity in your copy. For activity, you can go to your book, page number 18, exercise G. The question is, from the pair of words, give in bracket, choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. Use a dictionary to help you. Here is your exercise. In this exercise, you have a fill in the blanks. 2 words with the meanings, same sound but different meaning. So you have to pick, first you have to check the meaning of these words and then put the correct word in the blank. This is your homework.